Muggle Mama, you shut your filthy mouth because you were making fun of me. You were making fun of me for messing with gluten-free stuff and then drinking a gluten beer. I've lost fucking respect for you. Oh, it's gonna be a fun fucking stream, let me tell you. Alright. What are we doing? We are making orange chicken. We're also doing jasmine rice, which we'll talk about that. We need to get it out. One thing I did not get out is a pot for that. Alright. That's good to go. We'll start with sauce. I think I have a third of a cup. Holy hell, I do. How's it going? It's been a while. Of course, I'm trying to edit a YouTube video, so I may have you muted for a bit. What? You don't mute people. Shut up, phone. Longboat Brewing Company Schnapper. American IPA. It's not bad. Anyway, so we're gonna do a third of a cup. We're gonna do a third of a cup of the cornstarch, and as I was saying before, we're doing coconut flour, gluten-free, organic. That's the best kind of IPA. America! I may or may not have gotten that all over my hand. And all over my computer. Well, we're in this unfortunate predicament. Oh, no, mine cleaned up. We're okay. So, we got a third of a cup of cornstarch in here, and we got a third of a cup of our coconut flour, gluten-free. Now we need to do just a pinch of salt, whatever. Here's your pinch. We're gonna toss it. Since the coconut flour. Hi, Lisa. Ha! Since the coconut flour is actually more of a yellowish color, it's actually a lot easier to hand mix this. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rice at least ready to go. Cooking, yeah, love it. What? We're gonna do 1 cup of rice. That way at least we have that ready to go. Sounds good. Muggle Mama, you shut your filthy mouth because you were making fun of me. You were making fun of me for messing with gluten-free stuff and then drinking a gluten beer. I've lost fucking respect for you. Oh, it's gonna be a fun fucking stream, let me tell you. Only seeing your face from nose down though. That better? Share your beer and I'll behave. Come take it. Oh yeah, we need sugar. Thank you. I had this Hy-Vee brand, but I realized I was getting a little low. I wasn't 100% on how much I was going to need. What's good, man? Watching from England. Hey! For that. Hey, for that. Cheers. Alright, so we're going to need 2 tablespoons also of soy sauce. Okay. So we're cutting these into small cubes. 1, they'll cook faster. And 2, they'll soak up a lot more of that seasoning and stuff. Cooking stream? Yeah! What's up, Dubs? Did viewers have to do anything to have you do this? Dubs, it's my last stream of the week because I have kiddo all weekend. And I just put up a poll. I was like, hey, would you guys be interested if I did a stream, cooking stream? And I had a lot of yeses. Rice is done. Bro, you got me hungry now. I mean, I'll feed you. I'll feed you. Num num. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Daddy's Little Princess. Love that too. This is what we're talking about, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go follow. Selfless plug. Virtual Storm Printing. That egg tried to run away. Beating eggs. Not doing anything special. Beating eggs. Get this going. We are going to use coconut oil. Are you Rachel Ray? You hot as fuck! Look at my leg! Look at my leg! Yeah! I'm Rachel Ray. No, I'm not. I'm definitely not Rachel Ray. juice the oranges. We're going to use up a little bit more of them to put in the sauce. Alright, chicken is looking good. I need to transfer it so that I can finish up the last bit that we have over here ready to go. Here's the first batch of chicken. Look at that. Look at that. The main reason why I use anything coconut flour, coconut oil, it adds so much sweetness to your dish, and just great. For a garnish on top. Let me get some good shots over here. Well, the real question is on how's it taste. Now for the chicken. In words could describe. Oh man. Now you gotta try it with a little bit of the rice. Try with a little bit of beer. Oh, so good. So, what did we do today? We did orange glazed chicken with jasmine rice. And the jasmine rice has a little bit of soy sauce in it, just for me, because I like salt. Garnished with green onions on top of it. Man, I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun doing my first cooking stream ever. I appreciate everybody that stuck out. Love you guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you do like the content and stuff you ended up seeing, make sure you slap that like button. And we are having our holiday sale for all of our merch, which you'll be seeing the video now. If you do like anything, make sure you end up clicking the link in the description down below. And if you did, again, like the content, make sure you slap that like button and subscribe. It does mean the world to me. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time.